Alright, this is Josh doing the cinnamon challenge. Good luck.
Hey.
Don't breathe.
Yes! Get water.
And that's why Matt said don't do it in the kitchen.
You okay?
Poof!
Told you.
Was that throw up or was that water? I don't want to do it.
You have to.
No, he made me. I don't want to do it.
You agree.
He done. You have to do it.
Yeah, you don't pimp out on that.
Josh, was that throw up or was that water?
It don't matter. Oh, Lord.
Oh, dang. I'm scared.
Okay.
I don't want to do it.
Hey, you too
Hand
bad.
the iPad over to Matt. Come on, chicken.
I don't want to.
You said you would.
He made
Josh
me.
needs to get in here so he can see this.
Here, hold up. What? Was that throw up?
Yeah, that's what I just said. Josh has to come in here and see this. You said I could.
Okay.
But he got to do his, so you can do yours. I don't want to be in the line of fire with that.
Oh my god.
Wait, he had more.
No, we're good.
Yes,
We're
we
good.
did.
It don't matter. It don't matter. It really don't matter.
Once you get to that.
Did it
Once
hurt?
you get that far,
Did it
Just
hurt?
go.
I don't want to do it.
It's,
don't think about it, just do it. Josh, I wouldn't put my head there if I were you.
I got.
Andy.
Andy's not even gonna do it right. She's just gonna put it in her mouth and spit it
Go,
out.
go, 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 go.
Oh, crap. Oh my god.
And that's what grandmothers are for.
And I made it farther than her.
I don't know. I think you each made it maybe 5 seconds.
You try it.
No.
That was horrible.
And this is the cinnamon challenge.
Don't attempt it.
See? Yeah.
Ten
You guys are lucky your brother insisted on this being.
likes isn't
outside
enough.
the kitchen.
I can't even swallow the
10
water.
likes isn't enough, Andy.
Is it hot? Or what?
It like burns your throat.
That was crazy.